How to mute someone on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now scroll through and navigate to the individual whom you want to mute and then swipe towards the left on the screen and you will see the option for more. Tap on that and then tap on the mute option you see there in the menu. You can then go ahead and choose if you want to mute the particular individual for 8 hours or 1 week or always. Simply go ahead and tap on your preferred option, and with this, that particular individual will be muted. So this is how you can mute someone on WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.